Hey, this is Mark from Bullhead City, Arizona. I recently purchased a Guardian 9000 XLT and just last weekend installed it. There's many vendors out there selling lifts, and I wanted to share with you what made me make up my mind to choose Guardian. Here's my review. My number one goal was to find a stout lift. The first thing right away that caught my attention were half-inch cables and 5-inch pulleys used in Guardian lifts. Each half-inch cable by itself supports 22,500 pounds. Vertical post base plates are 5/8 inch thick. The ends of the crossbars are boxed in around the post, and the crossbars have additional steel plates welded on, all for rigid stability. In the Guardian lift package, aluminum ramps, a rolling jack tray, and 4 plastic drip trays were standard, not an add-on charge. When it came time to make a decision between several good companies, the final thing that led me to pick Guardian over the others was their well-designed website. It was overflowing with information, photos, details, dimensions, and prints of their lift. As for my lift, Guardian Lift customer service was very good and worked with me to schedule my lift to arrive at the freight depot on a designated day so I could go pick it up and bring it home myself. The package came with all the parts sandwiched between the 2 tracks and wrapped in multiple layers of sheet plywood, cardboard, and stretch wrap, so much so that it filled 2 trash cans. With the heavy parts removed from the package, all it took was an engine hoist and floor jack to lift the tracks up a few inches and then drive the trailer out from underneath. I found the Guardian lift to be well designed, well built, and is everything I need from an auto lift. By the end of the second day of installing, my lift was up and running, and I had my 1969 American Motors AMX up on the lift. There truly is a large number of auto lifts to choose from. Take your time looking them over, and you'll make the right decision for yourself. If you end up installing your lift yourself, just remember to do it safely.